Welcome to this technical guide on the LiveU Solo. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your LiveU Solo isn't displaying anything on the screen, it may be due to a faulty HDMI port. This issue can arise from wear and tear over time or from physical damage. If left unaddressed, you could miss vital live streaming opportunities, which can be frustrating. To start, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement HDMI port compatible with your LiveU Solo. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the device's back cover. Keep these screws safe in a small container. Once the screws are out, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover away from the device. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging the clips holding it in place. Now, locate the HDMI port on the circuit board. It will be soldered in place, so take a good look and make sure you understand how it's positioned. Carefully, using your soldering iron, heat the solder points attaching the port to the board. Once the solder is molten, gently pull the HDMI port free. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new HDMI port and align it with the holes on the circuit board. Once positioned, apply solder to secure it in place. Ensure not to apply too much heat as this can damage surrounding components. After the port is securely soldered, double-check your connections before reassembling the device. Next, carefully place the back cover back onto the device and press down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight but not overly so to avoid stripping the plastic. Now, power on your LiveU Solo and connect it to a screen to check if the HDMI port is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you've successfully repaired your device. To prevent future HDMI port issues, try handling your device with care and avoid yanking on the HDMI cable when disconnecting it. Regularly check for dust and debris in the port to keep it clean. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.